Lisa with WTI, and I want to show you this beautiful bathroom mat I just got. If you're looking for the softest rug, I got the perfect one for you by LABEND Home. This is the Abstract Rug Beige Boho Bathroom Mat. I love everything about this mat. This is super soft, it's super gentle. I love that it's non-slip, and I also like that it's super absorbent. Once you have used it, you can have the peace of mind that this can be machine washable as well and air dried. I really like how this gives any section of your home that boho beautiful decor. This can go well in a bedroom, in a kitchen, in a bathroom, anywhere in your home. This mat is very well made, it's high quality, and it's super affordable. You're going to love the decor this brings to any of your rooms and the softness of it, and that is my point of view.